Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Delta Invicta RT40 table saw. Does come with a power feed as well. First of all, this is a 16-inch blade capacity machine. What that equates to is a 5.5 inch depth of cut at 90 degrees and a 4 1/8 inch depth of cut at 45 degrees. The blade is currently all the way down, so this is what a 16-inch blade looks like all the way down. It's a pretty large kerf on this blade. It looks like it's encroaching on 3/16 of an inch. It's well over an eighth. You do get a 4-roll power feed. It looks like they converted it to a 3-roll power feed. It does have 3 brand new tires on it. Again, it will only operate with 3 tires because they actually removed the hub of the of that second wheel that you see. The reason why they did this is, if you stand to the side, you can see it's to miss the blade. So this allows you to cut over the blade without hitting the tires or the hub probably, because it looks like at the lowest setting you're still going to tear into the hub if you're cutting some thin material. Of course, it's a multi-speed power feed. Really strong running Pertesi. It's probably about a $1,600 power feed. It's definitely not a cheap unit. The saw itself is 7.5 horsepower, 230 460 volt. Currently wired to 30 volts. Do have the miter gauge, manual and wrenches. Another interesting thing about this saw, and a lot of people don't know this, is that it does have a dual set of pulleys on the V-belts. You have your lower set here, and then you also have an upper set. What that equates to is you can choose between 3,000 and 4,500 RPM. And most people just don't know that it's a dual RPM saw, which is actually a pretty nice feature depending on what you cut. You can come in and unlock the fence. The fence is basically rack and pinion. Locks nice and tight. Go ahead and start the saw. Really nice, smooth running saw. As you can imagine, the saw blade does raise harder than it falls. Right now it's all the way down because again that's your 16. So we're just going to turn this. But it does raise and lower as it should. It's just a little bit stiffer raise and lower because of that 7.5 horsepower motor. And of course, it's always hard to do while holding a camera. Again, we can just turn that. Everything functions as it should on the saw. Again, a really nice example of an RT40 with a power feed. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.